typical, I didn't record any of this. Hey, this is Hugh from Pitt Cycles, and I have with me a very rare bird. That is to say, a beautiful, hold on a second, transition. Oh, check this out. This is actually a Triumph Thruxton TFC, and you can see all the really cool things that are on it. And there's Scott right there. Hey Scott, say hello. Awesome, he's the man. So we have a Triumph Thruxton TFC, and there it is. And what's really cool about this beautiful collector's item is that this is actually number, hold on a second, I'll turn this back off again. Number 144 out of 750 of these things that were made. Adjustable suspension, of course. You have, speaking of suspensions, so check this out. This is the Ohlins suspension and the Brembo styling brakes. You go over here, this beautiful 1200cc engine, and there you have the Triumph triangle badge. You also have the Thruxton and a TFC markings there and markings there. It's almost like a cat has been here and just kind of laid its foundation. Vance and Hines Exhaust. Let's go around. Check out these nice, big, fat, juicy, street legal, but looking like racing slicks on it. Beautiful. Vance and Hines, Ohlins suspension. I love this. You see this right here? That is the fuel injection system. I know, it looks exactly like a carburetor. Do any of you kids know what a carburetor is? Transition. Interesting question. Anyway, love the nose cone on that. And definitely, this is not your dad's Thruxton. Or Thruxton's even around. It doesn't matter. In any case, so what I'm going to do here in a moment is fire this thing up, and then you can hear how it sounds, because it's pretty wicked sweet. Remember, this is a Triumph, so you have to pull the clutch in. Let's listen for that fuel injection. We have it in road mode right now, and little cold start action going on there. Beautiful sound. All right, so the question is, am I actually cool enough to ride this? Let's find out. Well, maybe.